If your device is jailbroken, I bet most of you know that most banking apps don't work on these devices. This is a huge problem for many jailbroken users who want to use banking apps on their jailbroken devices but can't due to jailbreak. That's why in today's video I will show you how to bypass jailbreak detection for Payoneer Bank app. This method will allow you to easily bypass Payoneer jailbreak detection and use the app on any jailbroken device, and I will walk you through all the steps you need. So here, as you see, when I open Payoneer app, I get this: unsupported device detected. Payoneer app cannot be used on jailbroken devices. If you press OK, the app will close automatically. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this and bypass jailbreak detection. So first, go ahead and open Zebra Package Manager or Cydia Package Manager. Go to the sources here and make sure to add my repo. You can find it in the description below the video. Once you add my repo, go ahead and open it. Go to all packages and here you should find Payoneer Jailbreak Bypass. Open it. So as I said, this tweak will bypass jailbreak detection for Payoneer Bank app and allow you to use it on jailbroken devices. So go ahead and install it, hit Git, press here and then hit confirm. Okay, go ahead and respring your device. Now go ahead and open Payoneer app and it should work without any problem. Okay, I'm gonna open it. And boom, as you see, now the app works on jailbroken devices. Now I can log into my account, no more jailbreak detection. So now you can use it anytime and log into your account on jailbroken devices. Say bye-bye to jailbreak detection for Payoneer Bank app. Now I will close the app and open it again to see if it works or not. And boom, just like that, it works perfectly. So this is how to bypass jailbreak detection on Payoneer app. It's pretty simple and easy. You can find my repo in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.